How you can write an engaging blog post using ChatGPT. First, I asked ChatGPT to write an engaging blog titles for me. As you can see on the screen, ChatGPT gave me 10 article suggestions. And I'm going to select the ripple effect of sleep title. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write an blog post outline for that particular topic. Now ChatGPT is generating me the blog post outline. As you can see on the screen, it divides the main outline into subtopics and it's generate point by point the ideas. Now I will ask ChatGPT to write a blog post for me, and I should provide instruction to ChatGPT, the word count and the tone and the style I need, and the more information like the engaging or that kind of things. And also I'm going to ask ChatGPT to provide me the references with the links. And now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to suggest me a good picture for this and suggest me a good YouTube video to embed into this article. Just like in this way, we can create an engaging and professional type of blog article using ChatGPT.